Now log into your admin panel, log into your dashboard by filling and clicking login. Then here in your admin panel, go to posts, then click add new. Then it will take you to the page, a page where you ought to make a post. Now if this is your first time, this pop-up will appear. Just keep clicking it till it disappears. Now all you need to do is to source for where you stored the information you want to make a post with, either on Microsoft or in Notes. If it is your phone, anywhere you can get it, or you can type. If you can type in by yourself, but in my case, I have already written a post in my Microsoft, so I'm just going to copy the title, copy, then post it here where it says title, add title. Yes, I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna come down, to post the body of the post. Then I'll go back and copy the body of the post, copy the body, then copy, then come down here and paste it. That's the body of the post we're making. Click paste. As you can see, it's already here. Then we'll go here and click on post at the right hand side. Click on post, then select stick to the top of the blog so that it can be on top of the blog. Now come down, scroll down to categories. Under categories, select the category you wish your post to belong to. Yeah, these are the categories. You can select anyone, but in this case I'm not selecting anyone. Just want to leave it like that. Then click on featured image, then click here. Then this is the place where you select the picture that appears on the posts you made, or your home page, or anywhere you share it. So since we can't find what we're looking for, the picture here, I'm just gonna click on upload file, then select file, click here, select file. It will take me to bring out a pop-up. Click to locate wherever you can find the picture you want to use in your system or in your phone, anyone. So scroll down to get a picture. You must have gotten a picture of the post you want to make. Then it should be anywhere around. Then I'm just gonna search for the one I'm gonna use for the purpose of these posts. For the purpose of this post, I'm just gonna select just anyone. Let me select this one. Click open. Then it loads. Right now we have it here. Then just click on set featured image. That's it. You can see the picture is already appeared here. Then we're gonna click publish here. This is the preview page of the publish. So I'm gonna click publish again to make the post, then publish. Then as you can see right here, it said post published, view post. I don't want to view now, so I'm going to just click here to copy the link of the post, and that's all.